Parekh from Countryside International School. I am Learning Planet educator from pre-primary section. Today we are going to learn a craft activity which is related to your Mother's Day. So this activity you will be doing with your fathers so that you can give a surprise to your mom, right? So get ready with some craft material. For this activity we will need one plain paper. Then we'll need a cutout of flower, one circle, and few cutout of petals. To stick all these things, I am going to use Fevicol. If you don't have Fevicol, you can use Fevistick or any other glue. Now, I have kept this cutout ready for Happy Mother's Day that we'll stick it later. So, now we'll start the activity. First of all, take one paper and fold it in half. As you can see, I have folded this paper in half. Press the fold, and now this is the base of your card. Okay? So now we are going to take the flower. Now this flower I have taken 6 petals. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the 6 petal flower I am going to stick here in the center of the card. So I am using this Fevicol. Apply Fevicol properly. On the flower and stick it in the center. This way. Okay. Now we'll let it dry for some time, and by that time we'll make another flower with the petals which I showed you. So now I have taken 3 colors and 6 petals. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have the 6 petals. What I am going to do is I am going to take a circle, and now I will apply little bit glue on the circle this way, and I will stick these petals on it. 1, 2. Then 3, 4, and last one, 5, 6. So this is the way I have stick this flowers, petals, and made a flower. Now from here it will look like this. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to attach this flower here. But will not stick glue here on the petals. In the center we'll put 1-2 drop of glue, and then we'll attach this flower. See, I have applied glue only in the center, so this petal will be separate from the other flower. So as you can see, now our flower will look like this. See, we are getting these folds everywhere. Now, as we have 6 petals, we have 6 folds. Now we'll fold this petal little bit with the hand. As you can see, how am I doing? Do the same thing, or you can take any pencil or sketch pen and roll this petal this way. Okay. Now, when you roll these petals, the inner part of this petal will be visible. So, here we are going to write something for our mom, right? So, I have few words here which I am going to write for mom. In the center, I will write MY mine, mom, MOM. You can write this easily, or you can take help from your papa, right? So along with your dad, you will do this activity and give this card to your mama on Mother's Day, right? See, my mom, and here I will write is, is. My mom is. Now in these petals, I am going to write something for mom. So here I am writing mom is loving and sweet and cute amazing smart and caring. So as you can see here, behind all the petals I have written something for mom. Same way you can write whatever you wish to write, okay? And now inside this card we'll stick this note of Happy Mother's Day. So I will apply little bit glue on the note and stick it in the center. This way. So how your card will look after it's ready? See. My mom is smart, amazing, sweet, loving, caring, cute. And when Mama will open this card, this is the wish. Happy Mother's Day. Isn't it cute? So I want you all to make this card for your Mama on Mother's Day. Take help from your Papa or your grandmother or your brother, sister, and do this activity. Love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you.